What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this new analysis about Bitcoin or BTC. This is also like an update. If we take a look at Bitcoin right now, you can see that the volume is really high. It's at 53 billion, which there are multiple kind of sources from that. There's some things going on Binance right now where due to some zero fee trading, there's a lot of trading going on, something like that. I haven't actually researched that thoroughly enough at least. But apart from that, I mean, Bitcoin is also relatively bullish, and I think you all know that. That's why I wanted to do a quick update on it, because the main thing we've been talking about, or there were two things we were talking about in the last few weeks. First of all, getting into some sort of a consolidation with Bitcoin between 22,000 and 19,000, which would be good in a bear market, I would say. But now the last few days, we actually touched this level here at 22,500, which is that 382 fib, which is a very strong fib. And we're still relatively bullish. I mean, we're still at around 21,700, which was the main resistance level a couple of weeks ago, the 21st and the 26th of June. So the main thing I wanted to talk about in this video is the possibility of actually getting a breakout above 22,500, because that's the main resistance level above us. And if we actually can get some sort of a rally with Bitcoin, because I do think that's realistic, but, and there's a big but there, we do have to break this level. At this point of time, we touched that 382 fib. As you can see, we rejected pretty hard off of that fib, and we haven't even touched that 200 EMA yet, which is that golden line, and that is usually a very strong resistance level. So what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to test that whole level again around 22,500. And what we would need to do is that I don't think we'll break that the next time we hit it, or if we get at that level. But we would need to stay above 21,500. And if we can actually stay above 21,500, I think it's just a matter of time before we break above 22,500 and get that rally up to, first of all, 24,000. That would be my first price target. But afterwards, I also think we can get all the way up to 25,000 and 25,300. So yeah, that would be great. As I said, I do think it's realistic. If you know me, I always try to be a little bit more realistic. And I think this is very, like this has some probability. It's not just like, yeah, this can happen. No, we're actually relatively bullish compared to the last few weeks. And we haven't had this bullish momentum for those 3 weeks. Maybe right here a little bit, but obviously that was right after we dropped down to 17,500. So something like this would be great. However, there's always another side of the story. Even though I think that's a possibility, as I said, I think we're reaching that level again, but I don't think we'll break that next time. So if we find resistance there and we drop down all the way down to 20,500, I think we can stay above 20,500. But I would also think that we're not going to break 22,500 then within the next week. Then we're probably going to trend down towards 19,500 and 19,000 again, and basically confirming that consolidation, because I do think on the long run 19,000 will hold for a longer period of time. So then we would just trend down towards the lower bound of our consolidation again at 19,000, and then from there get back up again towards 22,500 and try to break it again, I think. So those are the two scenarios, and the main thing, what it's based on, and the most important thing within the analysis is what we do at that 20,500 level. If we reject off of that pretty hard, we're probably going to stay in this consolidation. If we reject back off of that, but we can actually hold levels up higher a little bit, so around 21,500, then I think we got a good chance at breaking that and having some sort of a relief rally with Bitcoin and the crypto market. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.